Hi everybody, this is Sir Pierre back another day with another video, or as usually in the middle of the night. I still haven't posted the unboxing video I did with these, and I just thought of something. I haven't worn them yet. I just thought of something, so I thought I would make a video. So this is the developer boring studios, or whatever they're called, fake Air Jordan 1 High 85. And the reason I got them is because real sneakerheads out there are really hyped about them and saying that this is amazing, the leather quality, and they are so worth the price, and Jordan Brand Nike should do their shoes like this. And I can agree on that. And the box is nice with so you see how the shoe is, well, the parts of the shoe, and sturdy box and so. But they are fake. They look fake, and yeah, I don't support fake sneakers in any way. But yes, I agree that Jordan shoes today, and especially Air Jordan 1 High 85, are too expensive. And when we pay money like that, they could be a lot better, especially with the leather quality and the insoles. The pricing for these are like the old price of Air Jordan 1s. Yeah. But and the leather is nice, absolutely. Nothing very impressive, it's just better than what you usually get with the Air Jordan 1s. But I just thought of that one of my favorite sneakers today is the Airship. And the Airship is usually really good in every way. You have softer leather than the fake shoes, and you have very similar insole like on the fake shoes. All right, so the fake shoes have a little bit softer insole actually, but thickness is the same. But they are actually a little bit softer on the fake shoes. But the Airships are the cheapest Air Jordan model. So Jordan Brand can absolutely do something like this for the right price. And I just bought a pair of mids that are excellent in leather. These June red and military blue, coming in a couple of days, are wow. They're just wow. And I would say that the leather on these are better than on the fake shoes from Developer Boring. So in that video that I still haven't posted, which I will, I say that what I can see clearly is that the toe box is wider on the fake shoes. So here we have the fake ones in the middle, 2012 or 13, that are kind of nice, but with the old stiff leather, and the soft nice leather on 2016. These just happen to have that glitter that we, yeah, just wipe it off and that's it. So you can see hopefully that the toe box are the same on the Jordan ones, the real ones, no matter the leather and no matter the year. Looks the same. And it looks a lot wider on the fake ones. And I was positive of the wide look because then I thought that the shoes would be wider and not narrow. And me with wide feet, I have usually that problem with the Air Jordan ones, that they are too narrow. But no, they feel just the same. The pinch just the same, or narrow on just the same place. So there is no advantage at all of the toe box looking wider. And when it comes to the cut of them, so the 2013 we more or less could call like a mid. Here we have a mid, so very slightly taller than the mids, but we don't complain about the 2013. The 2016 are a bit better, but it's still not the 85 cut that these are supposed to have. These have the 85 cut, and the sneakers, the Breds dropping on Valentine's Day 2025, are supposed to have that 85 cut. But the fake ones that are really supposed to look like a pair of 85s, I would say more or less same. Yeah. When it comes to height. So nothing special there that would say that they are more true to a 85 look. So far we have a pair of shoes that look fake and have slightly better leather than what we usually get in Air Jordan 1s. I would say that in general the whole shoe is better than the 2016, because the 2016 only the red leather are soft. The black leather isn't special. And what I noticed right away when I put the shoes on was that the tongue feels really different from all the versions of the Air Jordan 1. Thinner and sort of stretchier some way. And nothing wrong with that. It's just that one thing that I dislike about the Air Jordan 1 is when I just push my foot in, the tongue gets crooked, and and it will absolutely be like this on these. They came with 3 pair of laces, red, white, and black. That is something we usually don't get with Air Jordan 1s. And I think even on the side they look a bit different. So what I thought of here in the middle of the night is that in the first video, in the unboxing video, I say that I don't mind that they look fake, because they are fake and they are supposed to look fake. So I would, instead of calling them fakes, I would say that they are on homage to the Air Jordan 1 85. But then I just thought of something. I have these from Collegium. These are wonderful. I really regret not buying them in more colorways, because a couple of years ago they released a bunch of OG Jordan colorways. The Blue Royals and gray, and a bunch of them. Black Toes and Chicago. So if you want an homage shoe that look like the Air Jordan 1 but are more luxurious with better leather than what you pay for from Nike, get something like this. They don't look fake. They look inspired of the Air Jordan 1. They have better leather, a much more luxurious feeling, are comfortable, nice insole and everything. Could be better, but not bad. But the most important thing is that they don't look fake. They don't look like a bad Air Jordan 1 that is clearly fake. I said in the unboxing video that you probably don't buy these in lack of another Air Jordan 1 Bred. You buy these because you as I did. I really like the Air Jordan 1 Bred. I say that this is my favorite shoe, my favorite colorway. Works for everyone in every occasion with every outfit. You like that, but you want better leather. That's the reason why I bought these. But that is also the reason why I bought these. And I would prefer these that are inspired by the Air Jordan 1, but does not look like a replica, like a copy. These look like a fake pair of sneakers, mainly because of that wide toe box. So yeah, the leather is nice, they smell nice, the insole is nice, but you can get a nice insole from Nike brand as well. So yeah, Nike and Jordan, they should have this kind of leather. They should have this price still. This is the old price. But I'm not happy with them because of that weirdly wide toe box. Another thing that I really like from Developer Boring is that before they send you the shoes, they send you pictures for you to approve. And I turned down one pair that had some kind of damage on the heel. So they sent me pictures from another pair, and I said, yeah, sure, they're fine. Send me those. So that is really nice. Me that are size 12, I haven't been able to buy a pair of sneakers in stores since 2016, maybe 17. And when you buy them online, you can't pick and choose the best ones. So yeah, that was really, really nice that I got to see the shoes before. I missed, there is some kind of mark here, but that will, if I use the shoes, that will go away. So the only positive thing is that the insole is sort of like with the airships. So better insole than what you usually get on the more expensive models. And the leather is better than what you usually get, but you can also get better leather on cheap mids and cheap airship. So, a pair of fake shoes. That is nothing special at all. There are a bunch of videos of them. People are really, really glorifying them. But to me, it's just a pair of, not ugly, but more or less fakes. And the more I look at the wide toe box, I dislike it more and more. I will wear them at least once to take a picture for Instagram. But for me, it was a waste of money. I'm hoping that the Air Jordan 1 Breds that are releasing Valentine's Day 2025 will be best ever, will be really, really great in every way. And then these will be, yeah, I've talked too much as usual. So mids with slightly better leather than what I usually call pleather. The June Red mids that I show you has great leather. 2013, I don't mind the pleather that you usually also get on a high 85 cut, because that leather is much more durable. It will last longer, it will take all kind of weather, and yeah, it's good in that way. The 2016 with the soft leather gets some kind of glitter, some weird glitter, we don't know why. But yeah, they're nice. These from Collegium are really nice. I really regret not buying more of them. And today I think they only do low tops, so these weren't as popular, I'm guessing. But I really like those. So that is my review of the custom by Developer Boring, the fake Air Jordan 1 High 85. That I haven't used yet, but I will, at least once. If you have any questions, ask me. I will post the unboxing video also, where I compare different kind of Air Jordan 1s. And now it's 3 at night. So this will be it for me tonight. Good night.
Alright, so maybe I should just use the shoes before I do a review, because I got a couple of positive things to say about them now. The extra thick and soft insole, it really does some difference. It really does. But one thing that Nike should learn from them is that or a problem that I usually have with Jordans from Nike is that the two last lace tracks, it doesn't do anything at all, because the Air Jordan 1s are so tight sewn together here, so the lacing, I can unlace them completely and it's still way too tight over here, and that's the part where my feet are probably wider than normal, and it's always there I have the problem. These shoes have more room on top in general, and when I unlace them or have the laces loose down here, I really feel the difference. So they are better sewn together than Air Jordan 1s from Nike. Sounds weird to say, but yeah. So they are absolutely more comfortable than your standard Air Jordan 1s. That's it.